Replacing a window switch is actually pretty easy in most vehicles. In this 2002 Solara, there's one screw in here. And then I'm going to pop off this little panel, take off the 3 screws, and then I'm just going to replace it with this one. It looks much nicer. My window switch is working. I just did it for the looks. But if your window doesn't work, it's possible that you just need a new window switch or that you just need to clean it. I have another video about that. So let's go ahead and replace this one. This little tab right here, you have to lift this up a little bit, push this in, and then pull it out and then pull it back toward the back of the car. And drop your screw, unplug it, three screws here. That looks nicer. Now we gotta pull it backwards a little bit. Get that little tab in there. There we go. Had to slide that in first. And pop it in. Grab our old screw. So confident this product is going to work, I'm not even going to test it before putting this single screw back in. I'm even going to reinstall this nice little pocket cushion without testing. Let's check it out. Okay, still not working. But other side. Yep. Nice. It's even going faster. Just kidding. It's not going faster. All right. And I'd say that looks much better. This still looks like crap. So that seems like a good project to take care of next. Something like this will make my car look many years newer. Maybe I'll even get in here and hand paint this. And I was thinking about getting a Toyota light and mounting it right here. So we'll see. Long Haul Garage. Like and subscribe if this helped you out. Thanks.